We've recently expanded the capabilities of the bulk edit feature in Freedcamp by introducing support for custom fields. Let's delve into how this enhanced feature operates. Upon accessing the bulk edit option, you'll notice a new addition called Custom Fields. Let's go ahead and choose specific tasks. Next, we'll opt for a custom field template that contains the values we intend to update. After selecting the template, you can then choose the fields you wish to modify. It's crucial to only select the fields you want to change, as neglecting to provide new values will result in the bulk edit setting them to no value. Once you've inputted the new values, apply your changes. After applying the changes, observe how the custom field values of the selected tasks or subtasks have been successfully updated. Thank you for watching. Feel free to give it a try and share your valuable feedback with us.